Everyone thinks Bitcoin is controlled by whales, governments, and big investors. But what if I told you that the real force controlling the price now isn't even human? Artificial intelligence has entered the crypto market, transforming the landscape with its advanced capabilities. It's not here to play, it's here to dominate, leveraging its power to analyze vast datasets and predict market trends. AI systems now analyze millions of data points per second, including tweets, news headlines, and trading volume. They process global emotional sentiment, even detecting fear and panic, identifying patterns humans often miss. These algorithms don't sleep, they don't emote, and they don't hesitate, operating 24/7 without emotional biases. While humans argue on Twitter, AI is already 5 steps ahead, executing trades faster and more efficiently. When retail traders feel confident, AI triggers a sudden drop, exploiting market psychology. When everyone is scared, AI boosts just enough to create hope, drawing in new investors. Then, it crushes it, leading to unpredictable price jumps or crashes, especially in the liquid markets. This isn't just trading, this is psychological warfare, automated and precise. We used to say only the strong survive in the volatile crypto market. Now, only the algorithm survives as AI-powered decentralized applications become more prevalent. The days of intuition and luck are over. The market has evolved beyond human speed and comprehension. AI's ability to predict human emotions, which drive short-term price changes, is still limited, but constantly improving. So the question isn't, is AI killing Bitcoin? The real question is, will you learn to use AI or be controlled by it? Embrace AI for enhanced trading, implement robust risk management, and stay informed to adapt to changing market conditions. If you're ready to understand the future and navigate this new era, follow Just Do AI. This is just the beginning of AI's profound influence on the Bitcoin market.